Hi, today I'm for the Motorola Moto X40 and I'll show you how to lock SIM card with SIM pin on this device. So open first Settings application and then scroll down to Security and Privacy. Scroll down and click the More Security settings. Here you'll see SIM card lock. Just tap on it and to activate a SIM pin on your device on the SIM card you should click on the switcher, tap to OK. So now we should enter the pin code. For example, that will be from 1 to 4 in my case. Then just tap to OK and we can see the message that the pin enabled successfully. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.